Teachers, educators, principals, counselors, no matter what your role is in education, to the educators out there, I see you. And so, with this teacher coach moment, one of the things that I wanted to talk about was the rebuilding process and where we are. To the educators that are here and we stayed in the profession, whether we stayed for the reason of, I just don't know what's next, or we're staying in the reason because you know this is your true calling and your purpose. And you're like, I'm supposed to be here. I know this is what I'm called to do, regardless of whatever the reason is of why we are staying in education, because this is such a challenging time. It is a rebuilding process for you. And that's what I want to remind you of during this time. It is so important that we have people around us that know how to encourage us in this season of rebuilding, whether that's rebuilding you in the place of falling back in love with teaching, or if that's rebuilding you and making sure that you stand firm and tall in who you are, no matter what the circumstances or the conditions are around you. Because you may feel that you're just a checklist on your principal's list, like you're meeting a quota, or you're the person that is fulfilling or you're a solution to a problem in the building and not looked at as a person. I ask that you rebuild yourself in this process of just knowing who you are, no matter what the circumstances are. And it's challenging. So it's very important that you have those people around you that see your value, whether it's in the building or out of the building. But never forget what you're called to do. Never forget what your purpose is. And if you're just there because you don't know what's next in this time of rebuilding yourself, fall in love with yourself again. Fall in love with yourself all over again. Find those things about yourself that encourage you to be your best version. Always rooting for you. Have a great day.